Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this smartphone. Begin by opening Settings. In them, click on About Phone over here and select Storage. Following that, click on Free App, wait a bit and tap on Clean Up. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, storage of my XIAOMI was successfully cleaned. If you wish to, you can always access your cleaner by clicking on the background apps and tapping on this icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!